Welcome back to Ori Soaps and Bubbles. We have an exciting and hopefully helpful video for you today. As always, we are open to suggestions. If there is a soap you want us to make on our channel for you to see and for you to see the outcome, we will definitely do that. Just leave it in the comment section below. Thank you so much and always enjoy. Previously on Ori Soaps and Bubbles. Okay, so welcome back to another episode of Ori Soaps and Bubbles. Yeah! So right now what you're actually watching is the previous video, and in that one I showed you part 2 of the second part of the mold where we added the soap to it. Then after adding soap to it, then we took it out and we cut it. Now you guys, I put on the screen that this was 24 hours later. I did check it within that time. It wasn't ready. I waited another 4 weeks before I actually tried to cut the soap. It was continually soft, wasn't even budging to get hard, and I was like, man, this is saddening. I really love these colors, but I have to actually go ahead and cut it. So I put it back into the pot. As you guys saw on the last one, I melted it down, but on this one you're going to get a chance to see exactly what I do to the soap in order to get it back into a beautiful luscious bar of soap. Now we don't have these popping colors like we do now, but you're going to see exactly how it turned out. It was beautiful having you guys along, and I absolutely enjoy you guys watching. Just make sure you hit that like and subscribe button and help me reach my goal. It's free for you, but 50 subscribers is all that I'm asking for. And hopefully, well, not hopefully, I know we're going to make it there. If you guys are loving this content, leave some likes or dislike or thumbs up, thumbs down, hit the bell icon. And with all of that being said, I want to take you guys right into a treat that you saw last time, which was me cutting graphite. Graphite turned out very beautifully. It was a very hard bar of soap. It's very soft on your hands and skin. So this one turned out perfect. I really enjoyed making soap, and I'm glad that we're getting a lot better together. Let's move on. Okay, I noticed that in the beginning I said that you guys got a treat by watching me cut graphite. Forgive me. I actually unmolded graphite and showed it to you. You're going to get to see the cut in this video for graphite, and I'm going to keep it that name. You also see me fiddle around with some aluminum foil because trying to clean out a wooden mold and get all the soap out can be sincerely a pain in the ruckus. So to keep that from being a pain, I tried to put foil. As you're going to see, the foil doesn't work. I'm going to have to just cut the soap on the wood the way it is and then go back and clean it again. But without further ado, let's move right into it. I'm glad that you guys are being a part. Continue to the very end, and hopefully you guys enjoy. Give me that thumbs up, thumbs down. Please leave some detailed comments and things like that, and let me know if you truly enjoy the episodes of Ori Soaps and Bubbles with solutions this time instead of newbie fails. With the newbie fail series, I just want us to learn together. I do have a lot more coming out, and you will see those very soon where we're doing cold and hot process soap. So keep watching. So beautiful. Nothing is ever perfect, honestly. As long as it's complete, that means perfect. You know, you completed it. Or if there was an issue, you found a solution, then you would see it as that. So let's go ahead and get this cut down. I'm going to do the next cut. Well, I am very unprepared right now. I am so busy trying to get the soap into the soap cutter because it is larger than the actual cutter. I'm not using the cutter knives that came with the cutter. I'm using my cheese knife, which is used only for soaping. I bought it for soaping. At the same time, it's just not working out with this soap. It's like I'm in fiddle faddle mode trying to get everything to work out, and then here I'm trying to readjust it again, which I adjusted it before. At the same time, it just was giving me all kind of hectic. And you're probably going to hear me say it in just a second. Well, we're going through a lot to get this soap cut. It was too long, so I had to chop off the back end of it. And I'm going to show you the inside embeds and how it turned out here. And this is all great, but we need to get this soap cut and keep moving. So let's try again. In here, we're going through a lot. Just cut this one piece of soap. Isn't it something? Get out of my way. Let me just put the soap on there. I thought I would be able to line it and then cut it, but okay. Okay. I see you, soap. I see you. All right. Let's go straight down. Oh, that is gorgeous. That is completely gorgeous. How awesome is that? Wow. It's a beautiful piece of soap. Yep. Okay. And as I cut, I'll give you guys a glance so you get a chance to see it. Say, seeing is believing. Let's line up everything. I try to line this up so well because it's not perfect, right? And you just go straight down so you can see each part. Oh, that white showed up so beautifully in there. How awesome. Now remember, this is just plain. This has nothing in it. Nothing whatsoever. I just turned it on its side so it can fit in. Wow. I'm very, very happy with this. I'm happy with it. I would actually make it again. The next time I make it, I possibly will make it with a scent. I'm just gonna pull this. There we go. I'm possibly gonna make it with a scent. There we go. This one is unscented, but it is graphite. That is so beautiful, the way it came out. Set these over to the side. So there, okay, so this is what I was talking about. These thin pieces here, I've seen some soaps this thin, but I like them if they're like this. So you get your money's worth when you're buying a bar of soap from us. These thin pieces probably go to one of my kids or as a sample for someone. I do those, that's what I do with those little pieces there. But when it comes to selling, I like to make sure that I'm giving everybody their money's worth and they're getting what they paid for. I'm excited with these. Oh, and this knife is completely awesome. I know I haven't said anything about it, but I got it off of Amazon. Didn't cost that much. I kind of saved up for it. But I got it off of Amazon. And when I did get it off of Amazon. Okay, if you were paying close attention, I'm so busy talking about my knife, and I love my knife. I still do. At the same time, I was not paying attention. I set the soap in the wrong direction when I sat it down and took it out of the cutter. Then I put it on the cutter in the wrong direction, and I chopped off the whole top. I just chopped it off. Like, really? I'm sitting here and I'm laughing at my own video, watching myself like, wow. So next time, just a lesson to learn. Please pay attention to how you sit everything, even though you may be explaining something. Ori, pay attention.
I was truly excited. Just truly, truly, truly excited. Oh, I cut this one the wrong way. You see what I did? I chopped off the whole top. That's why I was like, what is going on with this piece of soap? I turned it the wrong way. Dang you. Okay, so what I'm going to do is make this into samples. Hey, let's go ahead and cut some samples right now. This is crazy. I can't believe I did that. I was so busy chit-chatting. So if you ever make a mistake like that, then you can make yourself some samples. And these little sample bars will go out with those that do the orders from me. I'll make sure they get some samples. So this is how it's supposed to look. Yeah. But now it's in half. And the way I do my sample bars, so that's a sample bar. And sometimes if they don't want that much of a sample or whatever, or however, whatever I feel like that's pretty much a sample because that was cut wrong. Can't sell that one like I can do the rest of them, which is pretty awesome. You got your graphite, it's very beautiful with your embeds. Oops, sorry, wasn't in camera view. All right, so we'll use that one for samples. I'm gonna cut smaller bars off of these, and you guys get to watch that too. At least you get a chance to watch one whole soap cutting, which is the new. All right. There we go. And those are my samples that will be going out. Those will be going out. And I'm gonna get this cleaned up. And we're gonna look at another soap here. We're also gonna check the other one. All right, let's move these little stragglers out the way. I'll go and get this cleaned up as well. And I'll see you guys back here in a moment.
Oi, 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 oi.
I'm sorry, but that was just hilarious. I cracked myself up at times. Put the soap in there wrong and cut it all wrong. Hopefully you guys do something great for yourself. Like and subscribe. The next video is coming up with the fix to this. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Enjoy. Loved Ori Soaps and Bubbles video? Head down to the subscribe button and hit the bell icon to get those notifications. Thumbs up or thumbs down if you like the video, and leave a review so that way we know what we can improve on. It's very much appreciated, and as always, have the most excellent day. Ori Soaps and Bubbles.